I am individually hiring multiple people. Okay, one of the role is UI UX engineer. So the first question I ask, even I can show you on my WhatsApp. The first question I ask, say an example, you are in a project and the application you never work, application you don't know how it works, and you want to build the UI, tell me your approach. That's it. One question. One question is enough for me to identify this designer or this the engineer. Most of the person fail. Why? Tell me. Because they know the tools. They know how to use the Adobe XD. They know how to use the Figma. They know how to use the all kind of tools, but they did not answer. Well, I have to understand the application very well. I need to meet with existing people. I need to know the flow of the application. I need to actually do the hands-on myself of all the flow myself so I can become familiar, and then I can see what is the user-friendly, what is not. Based on all of this, I need to go functional level, I need to go feature level, I need to go to the epic level so I can get the big picture on my mind. And finally, I can start doing the UI UX. Nobody answered that. So I actually rejected. After one question, I rejected them.